We're going off road, way back off the highway.
What's up, guys? Help us reach our goal of 500 subs by hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment, and share.
What's up, guys?
We're the Average Jeepers here.
My name's Topher.
My name's Jamie.
And we're the Average Jeepers. And on this episode, we're going to fix the air conditioning blowing motor on the TJ.
Yes.
Because it is hot.
Hot as hell.
Yeah, and it sucks not having air conditioning here in Florida.
Yes, it does.
Alright, so we noticed we got a bunch of new subscribers. So, for the old subscribers, thank you guys. You already know what it is. For the new people, you know, we're just average Jeepers that work on our Jeeps constantly. And you guys join along, and it's pretty fun. So, if you're the first time you ever seen us, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch all the good fun shit that we do. Alright, anything else?
Nope.
Alright, let's get it.
Let's get it. Go ahead, let's get started.
Alright. Alright, so Jamie already removed the battery, and he unbolted the ECU, and we already removed the blower motor. If you look, it was definitely burned up, fell apart.
I already put it back together one time before, and it burned up again. So
it's time for a new one. What, we got a Murphy going on?
We got Murray.
Murphy. Or is that Murray?
Probably Murphy.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Beautiful. It's like a hamster wheel, right?
Yeah.
And it's like, hey, you know what? This issue might have been caused by your battery not being strapped down.
No, I don't know. You just trying to point fingers at batteries?
Yeah, kind of. Just trying to get a lawsuit going with fucking Interstate here. Alright. Just pop the new one on.
Let me see right here.
Alright, to get the old one off, there's just a screw here, and then there's a screw right here. And the plug is right here. What size is that there, boy?
That is a size number 8 there, boy.
A number 8, so you need a number 8, damn it. So maybe, you know, your air conditioning not blowing, you know, it's probably this right here, or it's probably the resistors. Not the sisters, but the resistors.
Oh, look at that. Just screw.
We're gonna screw those happy little bolts in. You know, just happy little bolts.
Am I in the hole?
Get in the damn hole.
I don't think I'm in the hole.
Nope. Wish I could say the first time that I was not in the hole. It happens. So hot. So hot. So hot. Look at Jamie putting that bolt on in there.
We need to get a bigger bolt in there now. The whatever that plastic that it screws into.
It's just garbage, huh?
Yeah, pretty much it is on the top one. Hopefully the other ones will screw in. That feels like it has some resistance.
Viva la resistance. Alright. So this will come with a warning. I'm going to let you guys read it real quick. Make sure you get it all. You got that?
Did you give them the part number?
No, but if you do want the part number to this blower motor, this is it. This video is brought to you in part by us. viewers like you. Alright, so if you're an average Jeeper, you'll get 2 bolts out of the 3.
If you know anything about Jeeps, getting 2 bolts out of the 3 is normally pretty decent.
Pretty decent. If you're an average Jeeper, you know that one of them damn bolts is gonna snap off. It's gonna happen. Okay, so then you just plug the plug back in, man. That's a super hard video, man. You know?
Now we just need to put it back together.
Alright, let's put it back together. Got the bolts for the old ECU. I see I'm already on the thing. Looky there, looky there. Boom. God, it's hot. It's so hot. Alright, so after we started to bolt the ECU down, let me zoom out for you. This piece right here popped back out of the motor, or the blower motor, and you can see it's all jacked up. So we're gonna rig it up and make it work. And if this happened to you, you can fix it this way too. Working great.
What are these, your kids' kindergarten
Dude, the
scissors?
infomercial said they were the sharpest scissors in the world. Dude, the dude cut like a fucking stack of dimes with it or something.
Well, he can't cut in her 1997 plastic with it.
No, I can't.
Garbage.
Alright, so we're good to go now.
Oh, cool, look at this. It's got a positive and negative on there.
Oh, that is fancy dancy. Oops.
You destroyed it.
So after all of that, Jamie looked in his glove box and remembered that he had gotten a plug from the junkyard last time we went.
Boom, so all we need to
Or
do
not
is
last time we went, but one time we went.
we just need to make 2 connections.
Yeah, look at that. Wire color matches for color. So, there we go.
Sweet Peter Jeter, the wound hole beater.
Right, let's get it. Alright, so I think wire nuts work better than those stupid crimp-on things. We're using wire nuts.
I wish there were a little more incognito.
Yeah, if you use the little smaller ones.
You think they would have worked?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah, they're just kind of hideous.
But we got power.
And plus you can tuck them in here. Maybe not.
Maybe not. But it'll be behind this, so
Yeah, it won't really matter.
nobody will ever know.
That's a damn sure better connection.
Let's reinstall
Oh. Numero 2. Very important. Don't forget to put this piece of plastic back on because your truck will probably not run without it.
it. It helps cover up them plugs from
It does help cover up those plugs. From dirt, debris.
and
It's like it's like a bottle of Kaboom. Kaboom, baby. Calcium, lime, rust.
trucks going down the road.
Trucks going down the road. So neighborhood.
It's a neighborhood, you see. Pork chops and applesauce.
Ah. Alright. Pretty much done. Let's see if this thing blows. Let's put the battery back in. We'll catch back with you guys after the battery is installed and I've called truck is ready to run. And then we will be inside and maybe the air conditioning will blow. Alright, so it's still not blowing. Check the fuses. So we're gonna check the motor speeds. Take the dash apart. come back when the dash is apart. Alright, so we got the dash apart. We got the meter out, and we found out that to this relay, we were not getting power. We were getting power to the relay, but it wasn't closing. So we replaced this relay, and I fixed it. See? Blower motor works. So it probably burned out, like he said, he had that the last motor rigged up, so it burned that motor up. So now that burned the relay, it just so happens I have we got a bunch of these relays right here. These are the relays that it was. You can see, I'm spinning around for you. This is the bad one. But these are common relays, man. They use these for a lot of stuff. Looks just like this. So it's handy to keep these around. I got a glove box full of them. So in this situation, it helped. So hopefully this video helped you. If this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up. Jamie, what else I need to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Hi guys. Peace.